Hello, I'm Jordan with Marlin Steel, and today I'm showing you one of our heavy-duty, high-quality products, our mesh basket with a locking lid. The model number is 0368050-31. The material we use for this rack is 304 stainless steel electropolished. Check out how beefy this basket is. It weighs 7.04 pounds. And just by picking it up, you can feel the quality and the weight of it. This is no imported basket. I know this is sturdy American quality. This is 100% fabricated here in the USA. Check out these welds. They are made by robots using medium frequency welding, 250,000 watts. These welds will not fail you. Our basket is 14 inches in length, 10 inches in width, 6 inches in height. This basket weighs 7.04 pounds, and for my friends overseas in Canada and Mexico, it weighs 3.19 kilograms. The mesh in this basket has 4 openings per linear inch. The robust quality is ideal for cleaning, dipping, and moving components. If you need a tighter mesh or any changes to optimize the basket in your facility, we can make it for you. We can even make carts that will ferry these baskets around so you have less material handling. Hit me up if you are interested in custom. My email address is sales@marlinwire.com. I will ask a couple of questions to understand your fit, form, and function, and then bring my engineers to help create a detailed print for your custom project. 20% of our team are degreed mechanical or chemical engineers. Thanks for joining me and look forward to providing you great USA quality. I think this mesh basket with a locking lid is a win for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at www.marlinwire.com.